Hi, I'm Gavin. I'm the CTO at The Iconic, Australia's largest fashion online retailer. So let me tell you a little bit about where we started and how we got here. I guess when I joined, we had quite a few issues, and we realized that we were going to run out of capacity pretty soon. We probably had a runway of around 18 months. After about 6 months, we realized that we were out of runway already. So we decided to get to a more scalable solution, and we wanted to move off our static hosting provider and move to something where we could bring servers on and bring them off as the demand dictated. We're a very high volume website and growing super fast, so we needed something that could handle the volumes that we anticipated, and so that's why we started to look at a cloud-based solution. Our choice in terms of how do we actually get to the cloud and how we take what we have today and move it across, we had a decision to make about whether or not we wanted to build the competency ourselves, or we wanted to go with a partner who could help us and get to market more quickly. And we decided to go with a partner because we didn't want to spend all that time trying to figure out and understand and learn all the pitfalls. We decided that would be faster if we could get a trusted partner who really understood AWS. Being part of the Rocket world, we have other ventures who have taken a long time to get across their projects that are taking over a year. In our case, with Base 2, we went just over 2 months. We were able to migrate our platform, and during that process, the decisions that were made and suggested by the Base 2 folks through their expertise really were bang on and saved us a bunch of time. Also, their project management was fantastic. At all times, I understood where the project was at, what the issues were, what risks were, where the risks were. One of the things that really impressed me was their approach to the migration. They have done a lot of the migrations to AWS, and they knew where all the problems were. But I guess more importantly, they were giving us guidance in terms of how do we make that migration smooth. And one of the quotes from Mel, the project manager, was, it's not so much the migration, it's how much testing you do before the migration. That's what's going to make it happen. And that was bang on. So we ended up coming up with a whole suite of tests that tested all the integration points. And at the end of the day, our migration was super smooth, no problems whatsoever. Yeah, really happy about the getting there as quickly as we did, and the fact that we've been running for maybe a month now and no issues whatsoever. We got through ClickFrenzy, just sailed through that, no issues at all. I think the biggest issue you face when you're trying to decide to go with a partner in the migration or do it yourself is that you never know how much you're going to get from the partner. And I was very skeptical going in, for sure. I wasn't, how much do we have to do, and it really isn't going to save the amount of time. But I have to say, at the end of the day, it was a great decision to do it. It really did pay off in terms of lack of issues when we did the migration, and lack of messing about doing unnecessary things in the project. It was really just very efficient. We just got down to business, got it done. The Base 2 guys knew exactly what to do, and I can definitely recommend them as a good partner to work with.